Have you ever felt overwhelmed by life's challenges? Imagine having a mindset that not only embraces these challenges but transforms them into opportunities for growth. Today, we're going on a journey through the life-changing lessons of Stoicism. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, teaches us the importance of focusing on what we can control. By mastering our reactions instead of the uncontrollable external world, we can achieve a profound inner peace. Let's explore the core principles that define this powerful philosophy. One of the pillars of Stoicism is the practice of mindfulness. This means being present in the moment, fully aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. By adopting this practice, you can significantly enhance your emotional resilience. So, how do we cultivate this mindset? A surprising fact: did you know that Marcus Aurelius, one of the most famous Stoics, wrote his reflections during a time of great personal turmoil? His ability to find strength in adversity provides us with invaluable lessons on coping mechanisms for our struggles. Another key principle is the idea of amor fati, which means love of fate. This concept encourages us to embrace everything that happens in life, whether good or bad, as essential parts of our journey. It's about accepting the flow of life and finding meaning in every experience. Let's shift our focus to daily practices inspired by Stoicism. Journaling is a powerful tool to reflect on your day, understand your emotions, and set intentions for tomorrow. This simple act helps you cultivate a Stoic mindset and enhances personal growth. Quick reminder: if you're enjoying these insights, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that can change your life. Now, let's dive deeper into how we can apply these lessons in our everyday lives. Visualization is another daily practice. Imagine your day ahead, foresee challenges, and prepare yourself mentally. This Stoic technique empowers you to face the unexpected with confidence, making you more adaptive and resilient. Now, let's consider how these ancient teachings resonate with modern life. In a world filled with distractions, embracing Stoic principles can help you maintain focus on your personal goals and aspirations, giving you a competitive edge. A thought-provoking perspective: instead of chasing happiness, what if we focused on virtue and ethical living? Stoicism teaches that true fulfillment comes from our actions and character rather than external circumstances. To wrap this up, remember that Stoicism is not just a philosophy, but a way of life. By implementing these lessons and practices, you can cultivate a resilient mindset that thrives despite life's challenges. The journey to self-improvement begins now. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe if you found this video valuable. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into how Stoicism can revolutionize your career and personal relationships. Stay tuned for more life-changing insights.